Before I show you how to create AI story movies, here's a video I made using this exact workflow. Watch the final result, then I'll break down every step so you can create your own.
In the fast-moving city of Lagos,
5 friends look like they had it all. Style, success, and the perfect life.
Girls, this picture is definitely going on Instagram.
Sorry, ma. The transaction didn't go through.
Try again.
I earn good money. Why am I still broke? Because we spend like millionaires.
That's lifestyle inflation.
Because looking rich is easy. Being financially free takes smart money.
In today's video, you're gonna learn how to create AI story movies from start to finish using simple AI tools. I'll show you how to generate a story with ChatGPT, turn each scene into video clips, add realistic dialogue and voiceovers, and edit everything into a professional-looking movie. Make sure you stay with me until the end, because I'll also show you how people are using videos like these to grow YouTube channels, build audiences, get clients, and generate income online. The best part is that you don't need expensive equipment, actors, or advanced editing skills to get started. So if you're ready to learn how to create AI story videos and potentially turn them into a source of income, let's get started.
Hey, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mavumbi, and on this channel, I share simple tutorials about AI tools and ways to make money online. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Now let's get started.
Okay guys, the first step I'm going to show you is how to get your story from ChatGPT. Now, this is the easiest way how to create a movie or create a folktale stories with dialogue. You might have one scene with 2 or 3 people and they all speak at once, or they speak, they do dialogue. So this is the easiest way I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be very simple, easy, and powerful. So stay with me until the end. Now, the first thing I came to ChatGPT. I asked him for a story. Here, give me a story. I ask him for 60-second story. You can do the same. You can type, you can come to ChatGPT, open your chat, and you can ask ChatGPT. You can give him your idea of story. What do you want? Just give me a brief story, and then he is going to do it. He's going to make it nice for you. There's a 2-way to do that. You can type, or you can come here, see this one, you can click this one and you can speak, you can talk, you can tell him the idea what you want, and you do exactly the same. So in this case, I asked him to give me 60-second story, but you, because this one for me is tutorial, I don't want the story to be too long, you can change it here. Instead of 60-second, you can ask 5 minutes, 10 minutes, is all up to you. So I asked him to give me a story about this 5 women who live in Nigeria, and they spend a lot of money. By the time they come to realize, they finish all the money and they don't have money to live for. So this is the story he gave to me here. Okay, so he created a story for me here, short story, and then after when he finished to create this short story, I give me another prompt. I ask him to give me a scene for this story, a dialogue, and narrator. So there's a 2-way you can do this. We can use narrator or we can use a dialogue. People, they can speak in the movie or in the story. So he did that. He created me here. He gave me all this. Okay, so this, let me show. This one is the last story you give to me. The smart money woman, 6-second visual story board. So he give me everything. He give me the scene 1. He give me the camera. He give me the narrator, and here you can see here the scene 2. He give me camera shot, he give me visual prompt, he give me narrator, he give me the dialogue for people who are in this scene, what they need to speak or what they need to talk. Okay, so he give me all the scene. So now the next step we're going to do here, we're going to copy each scene from here, and we're going to go to this AI, which is, we're going to use this AI here. I'm going to talk about this one, which is FlexClip. I'm going to show you guys. I've done a lot of video about this AI tool. This AI tool is the best AI tool so far. I love it and I use that all the time because they got a lot of stuff here. I create like a playlist only for this AI tool, so you can go there and have a look. Okay, so here, first thing first, we're going to take all this prompt here. all these scenes. For example, scene 1, we're going to copy all this scene here. We're going to copy this, and we're going to come to FlexClip, and we're going to create our scenes. And this is the next step I'm going to show you. Right, guys, our next step is we're going to FlexClip AI. So if you don't have FlexClip, you can come here to Google, type FlexClip, you'll come, or click the link below in my video. I'm going to leave the link. You can click, you can go direct to this AI tools they offer. You can have get started for free. They offer free plan, and there's a paid one as well. So go there, click this one here, come here, click FlexClip, go sign up with them. And once you sign up with them, this is going to be your dashboard here. You get here, this is going to be your dashboard. Right, so once you are here, there's a lot of stuff here. Let me show you around here. There's a lot of stuff here. So go and have a look. In my channel, I go a playlist for only these AI tools. I use this AI tool all the time for my video I create in my channel and personal use as well. Okay, so here you can see we got a lot of stuff. We go AI video studio, we go AI text to speech, we go AI image to image, long to short. They go everything. They go all this good stuff. So here comes this side here, come to AI tools. Let's click this one here, and once you come here, you can create anything, guys. Here you got a lot of things. You can even create music with this AI. You see, I can create music with them. Okay, so let's focus here first. We come here to AI video generate. Okay, we want to generate video here, so we come and click this one here. So once you here, there's a two-way here. Come on this side, image to video and text to video, or video effect. So we're going to focus on text to video, because ChatGPT here, it give us text, so it's not image. So this is text. We're going to take this text, we change this text into video. So I'm going to copy here. I'm coming back here to let me close this page here. Okay, so I'm here now, text to video. So I'm coming here, I paste this one here. Once I paste here, everything is already here. I'm coming here, aspect ratio, you can change 16:9. If you want short video, 9:16. You can choose according to your video what you want, according to your needs. So in this purpose of this video, we want 16:9, so I choose this one here. Duration, you can choose 5 seconds, you can choose 10 seconds. It's all up to you. So in this case, if I choose 10 seconds here, and once you finish here, okay, so you come here and click generate, and it's going to start to generate your video. Okay, let me show you how the video looks like now. Okay, guys, so this is our video. Look at the quality. Let me play this video. You can see
5 friends look like they had it all: style, success, and the perfect life.
Girls, this picture is definitely going on Instagram.
You can see the dialogue. These two, they speak at the same time. The other people, they go emotion, they can react as well. So once you finish this one, look at the quality. You see the quality of the video is amazing. And once you finish here, you come here, download. So you click this one here, you click and download. This video is going to be in your computer. So I'm going to do one by one. Yeah, I'm going to do one by one until I finish all these 8 scenes, right? And when I finish that, when we finish, the next step I'm going to show you is to take all these clips, we put all them together in CapCut, and you create your video. That's the next step.
Now that all our video scenes are ready, it's time for the final step, editing everything together in CapCut. Create a new project and import all the clips you generated with FlexClip AI. Arrange them in the correct order, then add your narration and dialogue voiceovers. Next, add background music, transitions, captions, and sound effects to make the story more engaging. Once you're happy with the final result, export the video in high quality. And just like that, you've created your own AI movie from start to finish. Congratulations! You've now learned how to create an AI movie from start to finish using ChatGPT, FlexClip AI, and CapCut. With this simple workflow, you can create engaging stories, short films, educational content, and much more. One of the best things about this workflow is that it can become a source of income. You can post your AI story videos on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram to grow an audience and earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You can also offer AI video creation services to clients or build faceless content channels around storytelling and education. If you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future AI content creation tips and tutorials. And if you'd like one-on-one coaching or personalized guidance to help you create your own AI stories, movies, or content business, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.